Hi, members of the Yale graduating class of 2021. I'm Robert Lopez, JE class of 1997. I'm a songwriter, best known along with my wife Kristen for co-writing the song Let It Go and all the songs from Frozen, Frozen 2, and most recently, the theme songs for WandaVision. And I am so excited to get to be this year's Yale Class Day speaker. My time at Yale was one of the highlights of my life. There hasn't been a day that I haven't thought about some great person I knew, great book I read, or great memory I have from Yale. After I graduated, I moved back home with my parents, without whose fierce support I could never have had a career in the arts. I joined a musical theater songwriting workshop where I met Jeff Marks, with whom I wrote the show Avenue Q, and Kristen Anderson, who became my wife and my work wife, my lyricist and my love. And somewhere along the way, I co-wrote the Book of Mormon with Matt Stone and Trey Parker. Over the span of my career, I've been able to share in many awards, but always in collaboration with some wonderful person. So on Class Day, I plan to talk about the saving grace of collaboration and friendship, and how it can take the weight of the world off your stressed out shoulders. And I'll reflect a little on my time at Yale and share a memory and probably even a song or two. Of course, my speech will only be part of the great tradition of Class Day. I've spoken to the Class Day committee, and I'm so impressed with them and everything they're planning. It's going to be great. So I want to say thanks to President Salave and everyone at Yale for entrusting me with this. It's a huge honor, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you all on Class Day on May 23rd. Thank you.